How many air conditioners should be installed in a 1,000 square meter garment factory? Take a look with us today. We go to his third floor from here. His factory is on the third floor. It's being installed now. This 1,000 square meter garment factory, I designed for air conditioners for it. Put it in the four corners for an overall cooling. What about our air conditioner? One can manage 250 square meters. It only takes 3.6 kilowatt hours an hour. Our conditioners are suitable for various large workshops such as hardware factories and mold factories. If you need a cool down, please find Lao Zhong.